Welcome back to the channel. In this 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a scrolling game. First of all, you gotta get the sprite one, and you're gonna make this. Whatever color you want. Just make some stuff so you can prove it's actually scrolling. Make this go to the back layer. Make sure it's also at x0 and y0. Second of all, you're gonna make a variable called scrollx, and you're gonna make a variable called scrollY. You're gonna delete my variable. You're gonna get 4 change scrollx blocks and set 2 of them to scrollY. Set this to 4, set this to 4, set this to -4, and set this to -4. Now you're just gonna grab that basic code everybody knows how to do, except if you're like a super new scratcher. I don't blame you though. Let's change scrollx by -4. Let's change scrollx by 4. Oh, I actually want to do that. -4, 4. Now this will not make sense, the part I'm about to do, but just trust me on this. If I get an up arrow, I'm going to put that in the -4, and the right arrow is also going to go in the -4. If you've made scrolling games before, you're probably going to know what to do in this, and this does make sense, or made a scrolling engine really fast. Alright, and now we're just gonna go to forever loop, and we are going to go to x scroll x and y scroll y, and we also want it to go to x0 y0, of course, at the beginning of the game. So now, that's a simple scrolling engine. You can make it so that when you're not touching the platform, you can die or something. But that's it for this tutorial. This is the most simple scrolling engine I've ever created for like one of those top-down or RPG games. If you had multiplayer to this scrolling engine, that would be wonderful. Oh, I gotta grab a go-to back layer. That's it for this tutorial. Like I said, have fun, add multiplayer, add whatever you want. You can share this, but remember to credit it. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share this channel.